Hey, what's up, everybody? Okay, so you guys seen the title to the video, so you probably seen the thumbnail. What we're going to talk about today is this little guy right here. Okay, so this little guy right here is just a advanced version of this little guy right here. So basically what this is a little magnetic mount, right? And this one is also a magnetic mount, but you can actually do that. See? So this and this, you guys can see right there. Okay. Now, what these are for is for GoPros. So, see how that fits in there? Just like that, right there. See that? Okay. It's magnetic, plus it has little clips on the side to keep it from moving. Now, as with that, this one does the same thing. Alright, so just like that. And technically it's not supposed to come off. And I think these might have a little bit of an issue. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. So I don't think that one's coming off. Alright. Basically, just like that. Alright. Pull that off there. Okay, so you can't do it with the Hero 12, but the Hero 13, which is this one right here, you can do that. And these are StartRC, or made by StartRC. It's a company, I think it was made in China, but I think it's an American-made company. But I think, yeah, it was made in China. But the main reason I got these is because I kept having to switch back and forth between my handheld, what do you want to call this, charging little battery bank, because you can see right here the battery bank, plus it has the ability to Bluetooth, so you can Bluetooth into the camera itself, and you can start it and stop it with this. Plus, it's got a little stand, so you can set it anywhere, just about. But anyways, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. So right here, as you can see, we're going to set that in there just like so. Through there, just like that. Then you take your GoPro and you hook it on. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, other way. Hook it on just like that. Plug it in. And it's good to go. Alright. Then you can pretty much set this anywhere. Then, this little guy also comes with the ability to screw on top of one of these. And then that way, you've got two little stands. You can unplug it from here, take it off, come over here to this one, and now you have another one over here, just like that. Okay? So pretty cool. Retail price is about $23 per. I think the GoPro, um, the GoPro one, I think goes for like 35 or 40 bucks just for one of those. But the other ones are like $21 a piece. I think I paid total for the two, $47 and some change through Amazon. So it comes in a neat little package. So this little styrofoam, kind of like styrofoam packaging right here, and then the box, which is right there. So yeah, magnetic latch mounts. These are going to come in handy when I'm out on the road. So it'll be a little bit easier for me to go from one thing to switch over to the next thing, and that way I can just keep rolling with it. But yeah, so there's my review. I give these right here 4 out of 5 stars. They are still a little pricey in my opinion. But I mean, it's very hard to find really good quality products that work out in the wild. So you have to order it through like someplace like Amazon or the actual website itself. But yeah. But anyways, if you guys like the videos, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. All right, I'm out.